Hello, my name is Tammy O'Neill, and I cannot tell you how excited I am today. I've researched for years and years and years and had always wanted to get my teeth done. In fact, it feels so funny to just smile, you know. So Cancun dental specialists, they treated me like a queen from the time that I arrived on Monday. They have just taken such wonderful care of me. I'm not gonna lie and say that this was an easy process. Uh, it was easy for me. I didn't have to do anything. All I had to do was lay there. And the pain, there really was no pain. They took care of every bit of that. I just can't believe how excited I am. Oh my goodness. Uh, If you have looked in other places, like I have for years, I thought about going to even different towns, different dentists. I've researched, and when I found Cancun dental specialists, they, something about them, you know how your heart tells you what to do. That's what it told me to do, was to come down here, and I never have regretted it. Anyway, I'm sure that, and these are just temporaries, y'all. These are just temporaries. Wait till I come back in 6 months. Ooh wee, they're gonna really look good. Anyway, thank you for letting me be here.